Note to self, don't fly the drone unless the tall person's here. I get to try and get it out of the tree by myself. To be fair, this is only like the second time I've ever tried to fly the drone, and the first time it was in a tiny yard and I gave up immediately because it was too hard. So we're making progress. I'm still not good at it, obviously, and at least it's only halfway up the tree. Found this thing in the woods. Or not in the woods, just like in the dead pile of wood that somebody cut the tree down. And I think it's like a tree trimmer thing, and then there's like a rope attached to it that you can like pull, and it like cuts tree limbs. I don't know. It's like a little saw. So, pole saw, that's the word. It's gonna come in handy for getting this out of the tree. This is the second time I've got it stuck. Pole saw or drone retriever? You choose. Hey guys, it's been a couple days since I last did this garlic bed and like actually planted some of the garlic in it. I just got done adding compost to that pile, which I couldn't film because my battery was dead, so I got the other one charging right now. This one's fully charged. We should be good to go. I'm going to plant more garlic now. So I have the second half of this bed. Well, I guess it's like the second third of this bed that I can plant in. And then I managed to scrounge up enough cardboard to do about half this bed. And so that's what we're gonna do tonight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go get some more boxes. Should just take a couple more boxes from Lowe's, and then we'll get the rest of it planted tomorrow. So I just wanted to show you what we're doing. Let's look in my giant bag of garlic and see what we want to plant. That one's got 37, 80, 32, 38. Well, I guess I'm gonna plant the one that has 38 first, which is the German white. So many mosquitoes out here. So gonna do that first, and I will film it. Probably see me smacking the mosquitoes off of me a bunch.
we got a new toy, and no, it's not the mower, I already showed you that, but it is exciting and it is very helpful. Sorry, the neighbors are doing something, mowing, weed whacking, I don't know. But we are pretty excited to use it, so I'm gonna show it to you. Our new, what's this? Our new toy. It's a mulcher. Look at this beautiful thing. It's like, I don't know, Taylor was excited about it. It's missing like the chute, so we have to put the lid to that tub on it to like cover it up, but it works okay. We'll get that eventually. Yeah, so we're excited to mulch some things, and that means we can work on our compost. Hot composting is something we've never really tried, and we want to try and do as much as we can because we have a lot of garden, or we're going to have a lot of garden to top with compost each year, and we'd really like to not have to buy it. So we're excited to get mulching. I think we're gonna have to test it out. Lunchtime, and I'm just going for a walk on the property right now. I mean, I'm not really like far back here or anything, the house is right up there. But on the little path that Taylor cleared, just going for a walk and getting some fresh air. I've not been having a great day, but just wanted to say how much I appreciate the sunshine, because in Michigan I'm used to basically October hitting and then it being cloudy for like 6 months. So, if not more than that. There's not usually very much sunshine during the winter, at least where I grew up. Down in Metro Detroit it was a little bit different. We had a little bit more luck with sun, but I'm enjoying coming out here. Oh, onion grass. I'm enjoying coming out here and just like sitting in the sun, because it's really nice to have sunshine. So if you have sunshine where you live, go outside and appreciate it, because not everybody gets that year round. Also, I noticed that whenever Taylor mows down here, or we like mess around with stuff down here, it smells like onions. And I found a patch of onion grass. It's like really tiny green onions. That's definitely it. But like the whole area will smell like it. There's tons of it. It's over here too. It's all over the place. All of these. It's all onions. So cool. These ones are bigger. Super neat. It's literally all over the place. I haven't had a chance to actually like stop and look at it before, but it's everywhere. I didn't realize like how prevalent it was. There's some big ones. I might have to come down here and like pick some of these for our curry that I'm making tomorrow. Look at this thing. Kind of tastes like garlic. It's really good. All right. Back to work. Okay, so I think we're gonna do some more mulching today. We made a small amount of progress testing it out yesterday, but we want to get a little bit more done. We have a bunch of kudzu that we ripped down and we want to get it like kind of cleaned up. So we'll see how much we can get done. But I'm gonna braid my hair so it stays out of my way because it kept catching in the kudzu yesterday, and then put my t-shirt back on and get to it. Shower right now, and I might but right now I'm in the house. Obviously Taylor is about to take the camper to a dump station because we had to use it the first few days while we were here, and the sink, like the gray tanks, are getting really full, so because we're still cooking in it. So he's going to do that, but the closest one's like an hour away, and we don't want to bring the kitties in the truck if we don't have to because they hate it, and Miss Peanut always poops. It's never fun. So I have the cats in the house in our bedroom, our future bedroom right now. And they're terrified. Moo hates ceiling fans, and we have a lot of them in this house right now. So he's freaking out. They're all, I've had to give them some treats because they're going crazy. They don't like this. So, Bean's first time in the house. Yeah, how do you feel?
Squirrel? Miss Peanut? Ooh. Brought all their cozy beds. We have their little pillow. This is a beach chair, just put their blanket on it. I brought Miss Peanut's bed. And I have a beach chair as well. Taylor is working on mowing our orchard right now. And well, he's mowing a pathway. That's the start. I'm pretty excited. He just mowed a ton on the other part of the property, like the pasture area. So we're gonna have some nice walking paths now. This looks so good. Did you break it? Did you break it?
No, it's just doesn't want to restart because it's really hot, I think.
I mean, it's done a lot today.
It's Moo's first time walking the trails. He is exploring every single plant he walks past. We've made it pretty far back here though, like he's walked a good ways, so he's doing a really good job.